This little one has a drive for birds. She also caught some chickens and little flying birds, even as a pup. Well, the male does not have this. He's like broken for poultry. So which implies that they know they should not chase things on two legs, humans, or birds like chicken, so poultry. Whereas this little one was brought up in a farm and found it very interesting to chase and catch poultry and also flying birds as an extension. So how do they catch the flying birds? For example, if it tries to go to a hake like that, then they try to catch it when it goes through. Or they try to jump up and catch it from the air, but that's harder. The benefit of being broken to poultry is, of course, that you can keep them together with poultry, and then they can take care of, for example, rodents like rats and the likes, and also foxes without hurting your poultry. But this often takes time. The difference between these two is that the males from badger lines and from hunters that keep their dogs for predator control, whereas the left one is from a farm. And you might think that from a farm it would be easier to break off poultry because they've seen their benefits, but they do search something too hard to hunt, and therefore it might take time. So if they're not being used for hunting, they will find something themselves to hunt. And the mother of the left one, it took quite a time, quite a while to keep it broken, get it broken from poultry. It cost them quite some chickens, because also they didn't have something else to give her to hunt. But after a while they got rats, and then she had the benefit of killing and hunting those, and shifted from chickens as a trigger to rodents. Hope this helps. Have a great day.